Ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to now please. I really thank you for watching the last videos. So now I would like to tell you please that you are blessed and I wish you more blessings. So now nishimiye kongera kubaha ikaze nanone muri iyi video twiga twese twigira hamwe reported speech, hanyuma n'ikaze kuri buri umwe kandi komenti tera turazibona kandi ni umusanzu mwiza cyane mutanga, turabishimiye cyane. Bityo ni karibu kuri iyi channel yanyu yacu twese. So let's begin our lesson today, which is reported speech. The reported speech now, this one it is the reported speech part 3. So here we are going to talk about how to use if or whether. Right. So this one is used to those questions that are started by the helping verbs or the auxiliary verbs. These auxiliary verbs, we normally know that there are 3 main auxiliary verbs. They are to have, to be, to do. Yes, but the other they are modal verbs, right? So now let's see here to the examples that we have. So let's begin here on the first sentence. It's my turn, as we commonly do it. Here we have, do you speak English? He asked me. So how can we make the indirect speech of this sentence? Iyi nteruro dufite hano iragira iti uvuga icyongereza, yaramubajije. Indirect speech. So how can you change this sentence into indirect speech? That's what you are going to do. So please, I want you everyone to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because there is here we have different examples that are very important to this lesson and to everyone. Hanyuma ni cyiza cy'ingenzi, ni twifuza ko buri umwe utangira video ukayisoza, bityo byagufasha gusigarana isomo kandi bishaho kumva neza iri somo ryacu. Aya magambo if cyangwa se whether akoreshwa iyo iri jambo rifite utwuguruzo n'utwugarizo ribanjwe n'ikibazo, kandi icyo kibazo kiba kibanjwe n'inshingamfasha. Let's answer this one. You can say, here we have, do you speak English? He asked me. So we say, he asked me, him as you see here, just we use that if if he, because this one, if he spoke English, full stop. Yeah, the reason why I say first stop, because this sentence, so the first that direct speech here we have the question, but in indirect that question mark must be removed, right? So now let's continue here to the next question. Is he a carpenter? My friend asked me. So then here we say, please then you work together to answer the questions that we have here. We say, my friend asked me whether so as you see here, my friend he a carpenter? My friend asked me. So as you see here, this one, please, you heard me, but here heard he, right? So what you're going to do is this one. My friend asked me whether he was a carpenter. A carpenter. Right. The next, there we have, do they attend the class? Jacob wanted to know. Jacob wanted to know. Right. So, just you see here we have do, it is helping verb or auxiliary verb. And here we have is, also it is auxiliary verb. And here we have do, it's the same like this, the auxiliary verb. Just let's continue on the next question, right? So I mean everyone is ready to answer this or the questions as we are doing this one. Right. Let's see the next. Here we have, do they attend the class? Jacob wanted to know. And you say, Jacob wanted to know if they attended the class. Right. So as you have the sentence here, let's see this number 2. Is he a carpenter? My friend asked me. Ese ni umubaji? Inshuti yanjye yarambajije. Inshuti yanjye yarambajije niba yari umubaji. The next number 3 is, do they attend the class? Ese bitabiriye ishuri? Jacob wanted to know. Jacob yashakaga kumenya. Jacob wanted to know if they attended the class. Jacob yashaka kumenya niba baratabiriye ishuri. So ladies and gentlemen, this question number 4, it is the one that you will write. The answer of this one will be written in a comment. Just